As you can see, my lawnmower is all taken apart. The blade over there, but I was mowing my lawn about 5 minutes, turned it off to move some stuff out of the way, started it up, and the blade immediately fell off. So the bolt has just broken off. And here's the other half. Luckily the blade just fell to the ground and flat and hit me, you know, your bag hit you. Luckily the bolt came out easy. I just threaded it out with some pliers. It's fine. You can see. I get the pulley off for the self-propelled drive belt, which is front-wheel drive with this, and with the cover that goes on the bottom to protect all the belt and sump of the motor. There's a free lawnmower found by the side of the road, so far all I had to do is put a new bolt on it for the self-propel, change the oil and so it's pretty good so far. Now I've got to take that blade bolt off this. Hurts my arm as well. The flywheel and junk is all broken on it. It still runs though, but I'll take that bolt off and put on this one. There's one of the many reasons why stuff made in China is rubbish, because just quality isn't there and it just breaks. Got the blade off the other parts mower, got the bolt out of it. Since this one's slightly different, it's roll drive and you got the different drive hub or pulley for the belt and the slightly different blade. The bolt's too short. See, that's the broken bolt, and see, that's how much is too short, so I'm gonna have to go buy another bolt for it. So sometime later, about half an hour, I went to Ace Hardware. I got a brand new grade 8 bolt. See, there's the 6 dashes on the head. It's about the same length as the old one that broke. So yeah, you get the point. It's the whole, well, like hub assembly for the blade or something. So this part, which as you can see it's bent, so that's what worries me, because you got the two like nipple things sticking up where the blade goes on like that. Then you got this thing with 2 more of those on it. Locks together and the bolt threads in, and this whole assembly thing slides onto the crank. So you can see how it's bent like that. You can see they don't grab the blade that well because it's a big gap, and dents are right there and there where it slid when it was running. It slid off like this. And I'm assuming that's what sheared the bolt off. So I'm gonna straighten that out some and put it back together. Should be fine. Got this straightened out as much as possible, straight as I can get it now. See, the blade goes on nice and flat, whereas before these edges were just bent down. That's how it goes, and just bolt this onto the crank and put the belt on. Should be fine. That's it. Got it all together, so this new bolt holds better than the old one. So, yeah, that's it.